If you've been using X, you may have gone onto the website and discovered that it's black. That's exactly what's happened to me. I don't really want it to be. So let me show you where I found the option to change it back to the lighter colour. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. This is specifically for X's web page, so x.com, which, as you can see on my screen, is dark. Some people prefer that. I'm not one of them. So to go and change it, we're going to click on the More option over on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, it's Settings and Privacy. From here, I did find it. It's under, third from the bottom, Accessibility, Display and Language. And as you can guess, it's actually display from that sub-menu. When you choose that, it's now background. We've got dim, but the actual one to return it back to the brighter colour, which is what I've been used to, is default. Simply choose that, and then you can come out, go back to home, and you're done. If you found this quick tip useful, then please do give the video a thumbs up. And of course, if you'd like to be told as new videos become available, remember to hit that subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to be told as new videos become available. I'll see you next time.